Jiminy Christmas, Wade, you look like puke. Fill your plate, son. Skinny is easy, muscle is hard. I'm not here to entertain you. Baseline!
Tonight, it's the national tournament semifinals as the Lipscomb Bisons take on the Birmingham Southern Panthers. Textbook Coach Myers, the Bisons work the ball into the front court. Bisons have the ball with only a few ticks left on the clock. It's off the rim. A tough one to swallow for the Bisons.
If this is the worst thing that ever happened to you in your life, I'd say you were pretty lucky. Life is tough.
Don, you are 3 seasons away from becoming the winningest college basketball coach. If we don't go Division I, nobody will ever know.
Every single one of my players has a degree. Division I graduation rates are disgraceful. Lots of memories here. Time to move on.
Somebody call 911! Coach, wake up!
What's his most recent vitals?
96/62.
Don't worry, me and some of the guys, we're here to take care of you.
I think Dad wants to write something.
How long before I can coach?
Strength is hard, weak is easy. No whining, no complaining, no excuses.
Don Meyer has just broken Bobby Knight's record. He is the winningest coach in NCAA history.